Okay, awesome stuff. Welcome, welcome everybody. Welcome to the International School of Traders. Welcome to our Thursday Market Watch. Guys, I'm super happy. I've been seeing the comments on TikTok. A lot of people are saying that they are making some good withdrawals out of these shows and the strategy and everything that we're giving here. I'm super excited. Guys, if you can hear me loud and clear, just drop it in the chat. And this session is recorded, will be posted on YouTube later on. But we are just doing this live right now. Now, we're gonna go into the market and show you guys what are the things, what are the trades that we have in the market today. What are we trading today? I know if you've taken some trades with me, with me yesterday, you should be in some decent profit, or you should have closed with profit, which is a good thing. I'm gonna show you what we have today. Okay, let me look at the chats. Can you guys hear me loud and clear? And where are you guys joining me from? I'll be very happy to see you guys today and hear where you guys joining me from. Do you have Johannesburg in the house? Do we have Cape Town in the house? Mafikeng? Do we have Tabecha? Can't see the chat. I don't know if people are. Okay, Johannesburg is in the house. And then Bloemfontein, Zakala. And let us go into the market and show you guys. We've got Zerast. Where's Zerast? Where's Zerast? Where's Zerast? Can you wait? Wait, where's Zerast? Where's Zerast? Bloemfontein. Limpopo. Oh, at Northwest, nice, beautiful. We've got a lot of people. Durban, Northwest, Venda. Thank you so much. Okay, cool stuff. Now let us go into the market straight, guys. I'll show you. As you know, we start off with the news. We kick it off with the news. There's some very interesting things that are expected today. Let me this. There's a couple of things that are expected today. So let me look at what's going on today. So we know that earlier on there were negative news that came through in Europe, some different countries giving us some different, some negative news on the Spanish GDP. It came out negative. It was positive than previous, right? It is positive than previous, but we are not seeing as predicted. Predicted is on the forecast, right? Then looking at the GDP, quarter on quarter came out negative. And then let us look at some couple of news. Then we do have the composite PMI. German services PMI actually came out negative also earlier today. Now, what are we looking at today? I'm looking at the Bank of England interest rate decision. That is at 1 o'clock, guys. If you are trading GBP, which is the pound, then you need to watch out on this one. This is the German, not the German, actually, the Bank of England interest rate decision. I believe they're gonna keep interest rates the same at 0.1. It's much lower than in the US, but we're gonna see what's gonna happen with the MPC vote cards and all of those things. But the one that is also very interesting coming up today is the core retail sales in Canada, right? Let's cancel this. So they're just okay, cool. And then later on at 3 o'clock South African time, we are going to be receiving interest rate decision in South Africa. So interest rate decision. What is the expectation? The expectation is 3.5, and I believe we're gonna keep rates at 3.5. Yes, we do have a concerning inflation also here in South Africa. but I believe they're gonna keep the rate at at 3.5, and then they're gonna mention a lot of things. I'm gonna listen to the speech later on. Today, I'm gonna share with you the links to that speech, but that is gonna be very interesting to see. Right, the manufacturing PMI later on, and then some other news which are not really important later on. Now let's go into MetaTrader 4. Okay, awesome stuff. Now, guys, this is EURUSD. This is a trade that we've been looking at for quite a while. Now, I want you guys to look at something else here, right? Market has been giving us lower lows and lower highs. Lower lows and lower highs. Just look at this with me. This is lower lows and lower highs, right? Even though we didn't take this trade yesterday, I did mention that the dollar is expected to receive strength. I don't know who took some trades on the dollar and gold yesterday, but if you did, well done. You should be in profit or should have closed in profit last night, right? Cool. Now, there's something that I want us to look at. It is this one. This one right here. Should be. Actually, where we are, let me just go to a 15-minute time frame. Where we are, we're just below the 61.8 here. 61.8. I'm gonna take a straight sell right now. I know that should have been. Okay, I think this is a 70 pip stop loss is good for me. Then 40 pips take profit is good also, right? So this is not bad at all. I see it. So even if I reach 22 pips, because my projection here is that you can still go lower than this to the previous low. I think we will be on the right side of things, right? Good stuff. Now, that's what I'm seeing on Euro USD. USD CHF. Now, USD CHF, there's a lot of things happening there. But I just want to believe that the dollar is going to receive strength. I'm not going to take any trade now. I closed yesterday. Beautiful trade that we took here. I think you guys should have closed the profit on this one. And looking at GBP USD, the prime rate and the interest rates coming in a few minutes. What am I thought there? Let me just look at the technicals. Check here. Okay. There is high probability that the pound is going to gain strength, right? Depending on what they're going to say, there's high probability that the pound is going to gain strength. But my idea is that the dollar should be gaining strength also today. So I don't want to be trading GBP USD. If you're expecting the dollar to receive strength and the pound to receive strength, what kind of a trade are we going to have there? So let's see how markets play out here. Let's see how markets react. USD JPY, nothing much there, nothing much to say. I think if we were to take a trade here, it's even late now to take it, right? XAU USD. Let's look at XAU USD. So let me just do this guy. So XAU USD, which is gold, had a little bit of retracement yesterday, and I did mention that this is always going to play a very big role. We did see markets going down, right? I hope some of you, take some trades on this one when I was making that statement yesterday. So I believe that this one right here is still in a retracement format. Yes, we've seen this high and this low. I want to see markets failing again failing to break towards the top side, we'll take a sell anytime from here. So I know this looks like a Christmas tree or something like that. Let me just try to find some things. Tree chart for this guy. Let's see. Okay, this is very beautiful actually. 61.8 is near the resistance here. I would really love to have a sell limit order. This we love to have a sell limit order. So if it bends me, it bends me. So, okay, cool. I'm gonna put let me put 85 as my stop loss. Stop loss. 56 as my target. Let's see. Oh, okay. This guy wants to trigger my order. Let's trigger my order. But I believe you're on the right standing here. So stop loss, I think it's safe. Let me see. Okay, good stuff. I believe that anytime from now, this order will be activated. From activation, we should be seeing market going towards the downside, right? I'll be very happy to see it activated. Okay, USD CAD. What's going on USD CAD? What going on? Where the retail sales will be released at Canada. So the expectation, let me just go back to the expectation, guys, before I start shading this guy. And in Canada, the expectation so the expectation on retail sales is expected to be negative. We had a previous of 4.7 and forecast is negative 1.5 for retail sales. Let us see. Fundamentals, very good sometimes, not very bad. Okay, good stuff. Now, sorry for seeing. So, just see. Okay, good stuff. Let me see your smaller time frames. So if we take a buy on this guy, our stop loss should be at least at this level. Below this low right here, this low can be our judge, but this trade has not confirmed buy clinically. Take a buy or clinically. Okay, cool. There's a lot of news. There's news expected in this one, so I'm gonna be crossing my fingers that yeah, Euro GBP. So Euro GBP actually went as high as this high before taking a 10 yesterday. There's a lot going on here. There's a lot going on here. There is a lot going on here. Okay, I'm seeing a private message, guys. We don't want to read it aloud. This person is laughing at themselves. A blah, blah, blah. Okay. Okay, cool. Now let's look at okay. I can't hear you guys. Guys, can you hear me loud and clear? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Just want to see a couple of people saying they can hear me. Okay, cool. So the one who just gave me a private message right now, a direct message, please, can you just give me a WhatsApp? I have a slot available today. I want to show you something. Yeah, she just said. Okay, cool stuff. Now, Euro USD, oh, Euro USD is already profits, USD CHF, we didn't take any, GBP USD, I didn't take, USD JPY, oh, so on USD JPY, I don't know what happened just a few minutes ago. Something just happened. It seems to be from this one. Let's say USD. My order was missed. This is witchcraft, guys. This is what we call witchcraft. So look. Market went and kissed the 61 period just a little bit. Guys. This is witchcraft now. Somebody who's having a problem here. Guys. Okay, good stuff. Now we move, right? It's not none of you guys. It's just kidding. But that was gonna be a beautiful trade. And then we move. Actually, since the market is just bouncing, I just feel like deleting this. USD ZAR. The repo rate will be released. Interest rates. I just feel like doing some things here. Okay, what are those things? Actually, earlier when I saw the market, it was around here. The market was around here. Now that market is coming bounced here. We missed out on it. So but what I can do is put a buy limit over here, right? I have a stop loss of 14. Let's see, 1446. 46. Let's say 16 for now. Let's say 16, I'm going to correct it just. So let me bring this guy. Because in actual fact, I'm taking we should be taking a buy here, but because of spread, guys, spread on USDs are very, very massive. It's very, very high. stop loss here is good. It is fine. Should have taken a buy, but my spread very huge on USD. So they are selling me at 1465, and they are buying. Okay, which means if I sell, I'm going to, my order will be filled at 1465, and if I buy, my order will be filled at 1467. That's crazy. That's like 2 cents, 2 cents different. 2 cents difference is like 200 pips. You know, 2 cents different. Not really 2 cents different. So there is 2 cents different, but that's like 200 pips. Anyway, they make it like 10 pips or so if you start taking it. Just here. So let's look at some other trades. Okay, cool. ABD. Share. Okay, awesome stuff. I think that's all for today. So okay, this is Euro AUD. Euro AUD is showing some good signs of a bearish market, right? Let me just go to 15. This is 50, this is 61. 70, this is yeah. So this right here, this can be the expectation. So you guys can see the expectation. I'm expecting this market to push up and come back down. What we can do here is put on some trading alerts. Taka, how to do this today? Kitapak. Okay, cool stuff. Some trades have been taken away. See this. There's a lot going on the GBP, but I believe this market is going to fall. Right? Go to 15. This is a very, very good entry here. It's a very, very good entry. Very, very good entry here. Very good entry. See how things go. I'm very optimistic. This is a beautiful thing that's going on. Okay, cool stuff. Hey, bro, what you take on JPY? Getting a friend is. Sugar mascot. And then I use it to. Okay, to JPY. I'm gonna try it. Let's see. JPY. See. Okay, now I understand. So the thing is with GBP pairs, Mr. Parker, is that we are having interest rate decision in the next few minutes. I believe around 1 o'clock, we will be having the Bank of England interest rate. I believe that the pound is going to go flat, but it's not like written in stone. So for me, if I were to enter a sell, I was going to wait for this level. So these are very, very two. Good stuff. I don't. Okay, there's something that I need to put here. It's called a 200 day or something like that. 200 day. 200. Simple. A lot going on here. A lot going on here. Let's see where the 50 is. Okay. One more. I believe this market has been pushed for quite a while, but market is trying by all means, to push to the downside. If markets push high, market push up, during the repo rate or the interest rate decision. This is the expectation. I'm expecting markets to come at least to this level, then change direction from here to the downside. The trend is still bullish overall, but there's something going on here. Looking at daily time frame. Oh, I think I've explained something here just a few days, maybe 2 weeks ago or 1 week ago. It's something that should market fail to stay above this zone that I've just this is the trade that I spoke about. So, let's see how marketable it is, but I'm very optimistic. Now there's a number of sellers coming in, very, very, very sellers, even if the books can try and face them. But there's a number of sellers in this market that are looking very good. They're looking to take on this market. I have faith in this. Okay. I believe that anytime. So these are the two levels that we spoke about. These are the levels that I said I want to see. Especially this one and this one, in terms of selling. Okay, good stuff. Now, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for joining me today. Oh yes, let me just make a couple of announcements. We picked our winner based on the competition that we had last week. So we picked our winner, somebody who won the free course. Most of you guys voted for that. His name is Jabulo from Pangeni. Pangeni is in KZN. He has also joined the group, so fine, everything's fine. And also number two thing, we are having that 45% discount. Now the 45% comes from the 45,000 likes that I have received on TikTok. 45,000 likes, 45,000, 45% discount, and then 17,000 followers for 17 hours. For 17 hours. That's what we have. Saying, why now? Why now? I don't understand. Like, should we stop with the special or something? I don't understand. Should we? Should we stop? I'm going to open some other competitions in the next couple of weeks. But should we stop with the special? Like somebody's saying, why now? Okay, this session is recorded. You guys are going to get this session as recorded as it is. And if you are seeing this recorded session, please do like this video and subscribe to this channel. It's special for what? Oh, okay, for the mentorship program. I didn't want to hear that. So I do have a mentorship program where I get to coach you on one-on-one sessions, just like somebody that was messaging me directly here, saying they wanted to help with something. I said, I do have a slot today. We're gonna have a chat. I do take them one-on-one and do group sessions too. And the next week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we are going to have a 3-day conference, 3 days Forex conference. 3 days Forex conference is where we come online. We teach you from scratch to advance up until you get there. But you know that you are not going to get there, in just 1 second or 1 sitting, something like that. It is 12 months of mentorship, which is 2,999, right? So it's 2,999. That is the original price of the course. And also we are also ending the monthly payments kind of a situation where you cover up your 3,000 rand in a few months. We are ending that this month. How much does it cost? It costs 2,999, which is 3,000 rand or something. 2,999. And then at the moment, we have the 45% discount, right? 45% discount is meaning we have taken away a couple of thousands there, and there is 1,650 somewhere around there. So it's 1,650. That is going on for the next 17 hours. I think the last hour is 1 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. 17 hours. Yeah, I think that is good. So if you're looking for that, there's a number on the group. You can WhatsApp us and talk to us. But if you still enjoy this content, this free kind of sessions where we come in and take some trade with you, that's also good. We are going to be seeing you on the other side of the withdrawals. A lot of you guys have been messaging me. Even some of you go to TikTok and just say, look, I just made 2 successful trades on gold. Thank you so much. Somebody said I made a withdrawal of 4,300. Beautiful, very beautiful. We'll see you guys on the other side of the withdrawals. It's your one and only Obego Mtiane. Be real. Obego Mtiane. Sha.